All right. Now that we got out of that river, that place, I took some video footage, a couple of pictures. Come on. Oh, come on. There you go. I gotta keep tapping the screen because it keeps shutting off. And I want to make sure that I'm recording. It feels a little bit weird talking to myself out here, but if I'm gonna be a journalist here pretty soon, wherever God sends me, I'm gonna go ahead and do my best to record myself, to narrate, be vocal, talk, pretend that I'm talking to someone out here. Oh, that is creepy. Whoa. Okay, there's like holes in the under these trees, and I don't like it because it looks like anything can pop out of there. Just a couple more minutes and I'm headed back because the sun is coming down. Where the heck did this trail lead to? All right, Jesus, protect me. Cover me with your precious blood, because I am in the middle of nowhere, in a way. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Look at these rocks. Big rocks. And just across the river is the, what is it? Highway 12? Is it? Yeah, I think it's Highway 12. Or 410, I don't remember. I just hope that don't look signal here. This is freaking too weird. It's insane. The sun is actually going down now. It's only 2:27. The reason it's going down is because there's a freaking hill, big hill blocking it. I normally don't do this, but you know what? I have a YouTube channel and I'm trying to break out a lot of content, get at least like 50 to 100 videos up there, and then start promoting it and see where that takes us. When I say us, it's my kids and me, and friends. Whoa. Okay, so hold on. So just to let you guys know, so it's way out there, and this is pretty steep actually, so I have to really be careful here that I don't fall. This is actually by far the cool trail. I got 19% left. Jeez, it's going pretty quick. How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Is the trail pretty far? Is it pretty? How far does it go?
Well, we only usually go to the bridge.
Oh, okay. There's a bridge over there.
There's another bridge across this, and the trail. I don't know how far it goes. Maybe half a mile or so.
Okay.
Past
All right.
the bridge.
Cool. All right, thank you.
Yep.
Wow. What the heck is here? Check this out, guys. What the fudge is this? Look at this. This is here. Check out. What the heck? Like some kind of mini bunker or something. Something was on top of here. What the heck is on top of here? Look at this. Oh, what the heck? This is crazy, dude. It's like, what the heck? What's in here? I gotta make sure that I don't fall here. What the heck is this? What used to be here? This is kind of weird. No idea. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's keep going. We have... Man, this battery sucks. It's a good thing that yesterday I charged like 3 batteries, so if I go out right now, that's gonna suck. So you heard the guy, there's a bridge out here. Oh my goodness. I told my kid's mom that I was gonna be back by 3. I'm hoping that I don't lose signal so I can give her a call right now and let her know that I won't be back by 3. Because I'm probably like 2 miles away from my vehicle right now. He said there was another bridge over here. And I don't think I'm gonna take any more pictures because the sun is going down. It sucks. And it got cloudy too. While I'm talking, I'm actually listening to music. And I'm listening to instrumentals. Classical music. Well, not really classical. It's just instrumentals. A little bit of violin, a little bit of piano, a little bit of bass, a little bit of everything. Like cinematic music. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm like getting excited. Wow. You know, yesterday I took a walk at the Greenway and my knees got tired. Right now I'm like, I am carrying like 20 pounds. You can already hear me like getting tired. Wow, this is a really cool trail. Only I wish I wouldn't have come alone. I wish somebody accompanied me, but everybody that I know hates hiking. Almost, well, there is one person at my work, but I don't know. That person, I'm not gonna say it's a he or she, but I've already invited this person many times just to come out and chill, and that person always has something to do, but that's many of us. This is beautiful, guys. This is really cool. Wow. That's... I'm being alert right now because I've never been over here before, ever. So this is the Tieton Natchez Trail. I keep getting that mixed up. The Tieton Natchez Trail. And I'm running out of battery. I'm just trying to reach that other, what do you call it? Oh, whoa. I'm looking at my watch and I'm all tripping over here. Oh, that's great. What the heck? Oh, never mind. I was like, where the heck is the trail? Actually, he said that there's a bridge. Okay, that's not a bridge. Alright guys, if I get cut out because my battery is draining, it's running low, I'm gonna go ahead and probably end it here. We're already 13 minutes in this video. So, you know, those guys that I just talked to, I swear we started like, oh, I know why. Yeah, they actually came over here first because I was busy taking pictures of the climbers, the rock climbers. Man, this is crazy. Where am I at? I should have brought my water. I left my water in the car. But this is freaking beautiful, dude. This is freaking awesome. Ugh. Gosh, I keep getting freaked out by bushes. I keep thinking that something's like moving, but it's not. Now you guys see me that I'm like looking at everywhere. You know what? I think I'm gonna head back. 2:37. Question is, can I make it back? I think it's 3 miles now. You know what? I'm telling you, this is like, oh. I'm saying like things move. There's nobody out here but me right now. This is really cool though. Freaking awesome. But you know what? It does, I mean, I like hiking. I like trails. I love climbing mountains. If I wanted to, I could climb that hill. No problem. I'm just not sure with like a backpack because it's too heavy. But I love climbing. I love camping. And it sucks this year. I didn't want to go alone. I wanted to go out there for like 3 days to the Goat Rocks. 3 days. And There we go. 3 days, but nobody really wanted to go with me. So now I'm gonna have to plan for next year. Who I can bring with, who can bring, what buddies can tag along. You know what? It sucks. Yeah, now we're like way out here. The cool thing is I got reception, but oh my goodness, this is so freaking beautiful. I say beautiful because it's like the middle of November. Not middle of November, beginning of November. It's a little bit cloudy. If it was sunny, that would have been different. Jeez. You know what? I know I keep saying I'm gonna cut it out because I don't know where the fudge this thing gets leading to. So I think we walked plenty. So why don't we go back? Vámonos. I'm not kidding. I probably walked like 4 or 5 miles already. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm not tired. That's the thing. I'm not tired. Like, I got so much energy. Like, I can go for 20 miles. Of course, with water and maybe some protein bars. But like I said, this backpack is like 20 pounds. So anyways, so I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone now, because if this thing gets cut out, I don't know how much. Ew, that's gross. That was some kind of poop, monster poop. Yeah, I don't know how long this thing's gonna take. It's probably running a 2% battery right now. And so anyways, thank you everybody for watching. This is not that the best video in the world, but I'm gonna be uploading it here soon. So like I said, my kids, I don't have my kids with me today. Well, I didn't have them. Change of plans. I'm gonna go pick them up right now, and hang with them. I don't think we're gonna do anything like this because my kids are, I don't want to say they're lazy. They're just not used to walking so much. Of course, they're kids, right? They're not gonna walk 20 miles either. It's kind of dumb. That was a dumb question. Not even a question, a thought. But my goodness, this is crazy. Dude, I freaking swear. I really wish somebody was with me. Anyways, before this thing cuts out, like I said, I was telling you guys that kind of dismissing myself in the video any moment now. This isn't like too scary. It'd be kind of cool if I had maybe a buddy or two come out here at night and record with lights on. That'd be kind of cool. But back after high school, this is a true story. I had a youth activity in our church. This was around 4 or 5 o'clock. 4 or 5 o'clock, and I had my bicycle. So I live on 16th Avenue. If any of you know the Yakima, 16th, the Greenway runs all the way through where the Walmart area is at. And I was actually getting ready to go home. Youth activity was over. I was around 5 or 6. But I noticed that I let one of my friends borrow the bicycle, and it's a she, I'm gonna say any names, she somehow flattened my tire. So by the time I noticed that my tire was flat, I was at the Walmart area on the Greenway, and and I had to walk I had to start walking with my bicycle. Anyways, the sun dropped. This was during the summer, by the way, you know, and in the summer, or no, actually spring. It was spring. It started getting, that's when it kind of started to get warm, but the sun was going down. And the craziest day of my life, I kid you not, it was pitch black. When I mean pitch black, there was like no stars or moon anywhere. And so that's how I got home. And I was singing nothing but hymns, songs from church, because I was super scared. And it was crazy because I ran to one guy. And keep in mind, if you've never walked at night in the Greenway alone, like the wind, it actually, you can hear the wind behind the trees and everything, and it sucks because you're thinking that somebody's there, somebody's behind, you know. Like right now. Something can come out of the bushes. Anyways, I was walking, and yeah, I kept listening to the trees with the wind and everything. Anyways, I ran into a guy. I was halfway home, and I ran into a guy. He was drunk, and he was so drunk, he had a bag of fish. He was fishing at night. It was like at 10 o'clock at night. I don't know who the heck goes fishing at 10 o'clock at night, but he was fishing. And man, I feared for my life. I was like, oh Lord, this guy's gonna stab me, leave me to die here, and jack my freaking bicycle. And he was so drunk, he started to gut a fish in front of me, gut a fish. And he tried to give it to me, like, here you go, son. You know, you don't have to worry about dinner. And man, that was crazy. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I know this doesn't compare to that, but I'm going downhill now, trying not to trip. I don't think I'm gonna make it back to my car by 3 o'clock. It's 2:46. I still got like 4 miles to go. Anyways, it's 23 minutes, so thank you guys for, even if it gets one view, thank you. I saw a lot of cool stuff. I didn't get to the end. Next time I gotta start in the morning, early in the morning, and try to finish this trail. I want to finish this trail actually, but I decided to come today because I didn't have my kids. So anyways, love you all, and God bless you.